Welcome to part 2 of recreating this look. Starting off with pink. Oh no. You just had to ruin it for all of us, didn't you? Desperately trying to blend the orange and pink together? Good enough for now. Listen, this look was supposed to be so much easier. Honestly, the green is just not giving. Is it me? Why do you hate me? Let's just pretend that this is how the green is supposed to look. The skeleton's gonna save it, right? Right? The purple is really on my last nerve, but let's just pretend like it's not here. You don't see it. I think this eye socket may be a little bit too big, but you know, what's done is done. I don't know how we got here, but we're here. Now we need the lashes. This is the current state of things. I'm gonna do the hair and finish it because I'm over this. And I am done. Honestly, this took so long. At this point, I'm completely over it. But I think it looks good. It looks okay. Let me know what you think. And now I can start wondering how to take this off. Wish me luck!